The Home Ministry has recently decided to discontinue with the free movement regime between India and Myanmar. Amidst these changes, the chief or Ang in Nagaland's Longwa village votes in both India and Myanmar. An India Today investigation reveals how this person shapes the political landscape on both sides of the border.
Right now I am standing in the Longwa village at Ang's house, which lies in the two countries. This side is Myanmar and this side is India. This village has its own uniqueness, where the kitchen is in Myanmar and the bedroom is in India. And this is the boundary. And this particular village inhabited by the Konyak tribe.
The Ang rules over 30 villages in Myanmar and 5 in India. Speaking to India Today Northeast, Tonye Konyak showed his voter ID cards of both the countries.
Vote card. My election.
I vote in Myanmar and India. I have a voter ID card of both the countries.
Konyak has expressed his support for the Bharatiya Janata Party, but he's concerned about the government's decision to abolish the free movement regime and its impact on community of Longwa. The policy could also significantly affect the daily lives of Longwa.
A fence will affect this region because I control villages in both the countries.
He reiterated his support for BJP in the upcoming Lok Sabha election. He has high expectations of the current BJP candidate MLA from his village. The Ang disapproved of any fencing initiatives by the central government along the border.
Which party is more prominent here?
BJP.
BJP is a popular party here. We have lots of expectations from the BJP MLA for the development of this region. I appeal to the government of India not to fence this area.
The
villagers of Longwa do not identify with either Indian or Burmese nationality, but rather as one community.
ऑफिशियली डुअल सिटीजन नहीं है हम लोग का बर्मा तरफ से भी डेवलपमेंट आता है स्कूल एजुकेशन देता है इंडिया साइड में भी मोन डिस्ट्रिक्ट फुमचिंग ब्लॉक नागालैंड लोंगवा विलेज ऐसा काउंट करता है इसलिए हम लोग का ये एक ही गांव है ऐसे सोच के हम लोग राशन कार्ड भी ऐसा है मिलता है
The township hosts one school established in 2014, which falls under the jurisdiction of Chief Ang of Longwa. Amidst political ambiguity, Ang promotes peace and unity, bridging the divide between adjacent communities on both sides of the border. His unwavering dedication to nurturing harmony highlights the tenacity of Longwa's residents and geopolitical turmoil. Bureau Report, India Today.